Hello and happy Sabbath again, everyone. This morning's health nugget will be about the Ackee, the delicious fruit. Our scripture is taken from Matthew 3, verse 10, and it says, "And now also the axe is laid unto the roots of the trees. Therefore, every tree which bringeth not forth good fruit is hewn down or cut down and cast into the fire." Ackee is it's commonly called, got its name from the word Ackee. Hopefully, I'm not messing up the name, which means food in the language of Ghana. Ackee originated in West Africa, but can be found in many Caribbean islands. Jamaica has Ackee as its national fruit. In order for Ackee to be used, you should clean the skin off of the Ackee pod and it has to be open so that you'll be able to boil it with a little salt, and you can enjoy Ackee with cabbage. I've grown to know that you can enjoy it with cabbage and it tastes very, very good. I didn't know anything about Ackee until I met my husband, who introduced me to Ackee because he's from Jamaica. Ackee has many benefits. It helps to lower the blood pressure. It contains vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and fiber. Ackee also contains antioxidants, which helps to regulate stress levels. Ackee has a generous amount of protein for those of you who are plant-based eaters, just to let you know. Ackee has a mild nut taste that you will not be able to resist. Ackee is normally made into a curry or stew served over rice. You can also put ackee in smoothies. I didn't know this. I know that sounds kind of weird. For a nice, smooth, creamy texture, as you would avocado or you would use a banana. Give ackee a try and see the many benefits you gain. Oh, taste and see that the ackee from the Lord is so good. You can learn more about Ackee on these sites as I have researched: ScienceDirect.com, Gardenia.net, netmeds.com, or also by doing a simple Google search. Thank you so much for listening to the Health Nugget and have a blessed Sabbath day.